We'll guide you through how to deploy a Vercel backend. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up. Once you're in, click on the New Project button on your dashboard. This is where you can connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account to import your backend repository. Choose the repository you want to deploy. Vercel will automatically detect the framework you're using, but make sure to verify the settings like the root directory and any environment variables your app requires. Next, click Deploy and Vercel will begin the deployment process. You'll see a real-time log of the deployment, which is super helpful for catching any issues. Once the deployment is successful, you'll receive a live URL to your backend. You can visit this URL to ensure your application is running correctly. If you need to make changes, you can push updates to your repository, and Vercel will automatically redeploy your app. Remember to check the analytics and logs in the Vercel dashboard for performance insights and error tracking. This will help you optimize your backend over time. It's a straightforward process, but if you encounter any issues, make sure to check Vercel's documentation or community forums for troubleshooting tips. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.